Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, February 26, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, first period has to do practice 11.2. That is a paper worksheet. Everyone else, you need to finish up page 309 by doing problem number 12. Honors math, there's an optional review. In science, there's no homework. Hopefully you did well on your units of life quiz today. In social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, we have a worksheet called Understanding Metaphors. This is a paper from Library Today that you should have had time to finish in class. This will be an effort grade, so hopefully you've got it done and you do not lose it between now and tomorrow. And in literature, assignment 4 is due Thursday. Your character chart and vocab, that needs to be finished by tomorrow. If you were absent yesterday, maybe because you were out sick, you were on vacation, or you left early because of the power, you need to read chapter 16 on your own. Remember, we do have the 23 vocabulary words from Surviving the Applewhites. There's a quiz this Friday, and you can use a study tool on Quizlet that is found in Google Classroom to help you prepare. Make sure that you are studying and preparing for it so that you are ready to go come Friday. Also, just a reminder, 1 week from tomorrow is Wednesday, March 6th, and that is the date that all Blizzard Bag number 3s are due. Hopefully everyone has a great rest of the day, and we'll see you tomorrow.